Solve x squared minus x equals to 12. We know that's quadratic because of the x squared, but it's not equals to 0. Cheeky question. So we must always make sure that the equation is equals to 0. Now to get equals to 0, really easy. All we have to do is just minus 12 from both sides. So we have that. And to solve a quadratic equation, you start by factorizing it. Now, if you remember the grids that we have used, so let's use the grid here. And now, if I now want to factorize x squared minus x minus 12, so that is x squared, and that is minus 12. Now, what two values do I multiply? So to give me 12, or to give me minus 12, and when I add them up, this box and this box here, I will still get minus x. Actually, it's quite easy. Let's start from x squared. So x squared is, sorry about that, let's just get rid of that. So x squared comes from x times x. Minus 12 has to be 4 times 3. But I want minus x, therefore the bigger value must be negative. Yeah, because I want negative x. So negative 4 times x is negative 4x. And positive 3 times x is positive 3x. Using the method we're familiar with, if I sum that up, I get minus x. That's what we want. Brilliant. So this is x take away 4 times x plus 3 equals to 0. So x take away 4 equals to 0, or x plus 3 equals to 0. This is x is 4, this x is minus 3. I don't have to explain that. That's your answer. Now look at this. This has equals 0. Easy. Two brackets. Basically, we want to factorize it. And we need to do it in such a way so that we are able to factorize 3x squared plus 10x minus 8 fully. So start with the usual way. That has to be 3x squared. That has to be minus 8. And I want to have plus 10x at the end. Okay, plus 10x. So can you break 3x squared up? Yeah, it's 3x multiplied by x. Now 8. So let's write down the factors of 8 so that we can see 8 is 1 times 8. It's also 2 times 4. That's it. So do I use 1, 8 and 2, 4, which will allow me to get 10? Probably 2, 4. Not sure. Let's try. Let's put 2 here and 4 here. 3 times 2, 6. 2 times 4, 8. Sorry, 2 times 3 is 6. Let's see. This is 6x. 4 times x is 4x. Whichever is negative, so if I have negative there, that's never going to give me plus 10x. So I don't think that is the correct arrangement. Now, is there another way to do this? What if I have 4 here and I have 2 here? 4 times 2 is 8 because I want positive 2x, sorry, positive 10x. So my bigger number is positive, my smaller number is negative. So 4 times 2, negative 2 is negative 8, so that's okay. 4 times 3, x is positive 12x. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. If I take that and that gives me 10x. Brilliant. So my factorization leads me to x plus 4 and 3x minus 2. Then the standard steps, x plus 4 equals to 0, or 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 4, 3x is equals to 2, x is equals to 2/3. Two possible answers.